Hey, welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. We're going from the easy, no frills, fantastic chicken dinner midweek, really easy to do, to something that actually is going to take a little bit of work. So today I'm going to show you my bacon wrapped beef tenderloin. Now I have here probably 2 4.5 pound beef tenderloins. It's Sunday, so again we have a big crowd coming, couple extra with our editors. In-laws are in town, so we've got a couple extra. So I'm stepping my game up, and I'm going to make sure that we treat them right. Don't worry, Mariah, we got you. So it starts with a wet rub. So I have here 2 elephant garlic heads that I roasted earlier. In there, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of oregano, minus what I spill, and we're going to emulsify this with a little bit of olive oil. Yeah, it looks like about 2 tablespoons. Might have to add a little bit because we want this really wet. Let's put a little more in. All right, when you're doing this in a food processor or a mixer like this, make sure it's nice and smooth. You don't want any chunkies in this one. So you can see very smooth consistency. It's exactly what I'm looking for. All right, now we're gonna fully coat these with the garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, or salt and oregano wet rub, and then we're gonna take and wrap these with bacon. I've got some trussing pins here. I'm gonna bring out my trusted trusser because I kind of suck at it and she's much better at me. So we'll get that going, and then we'll head it out, go out to the smoker. So I trimmed these tenderloins a little bit. It had some silver skin. These are from Costco. They're very, very lean in the middle, but oh my God, it's gonna be the most tender meat you've ever tasted. I promise. All right, that looks good. Let's go ahead and get the bacon. Today, I'm not using our own homemade bacon. I'm using a store-bought, as you can tell, hence the unwrapping here, store-bought thinner cut bacon, which will allow it to get a little crispier, because as you know, we always make ours nice thick cut bacon. Got that open. Get my trusser in here. Get a rack to get these up on top of. All right. Fresh glove on. Because you know, Greg doesn't like to get his hands messy.
He doesn't like his hands dirty.
That's right. Lay the bacon out. I got trussing pins. Might be easier. Okay. All right, we're going to lay the bacon out. Then I'm going to lay this down with the side that I've already rubbed. So the side that I've already got the wet rub on down first. All right, so we're going to take this, lay it rubbed side down first.
Bacon down.
Ah! All right, one more piece. Right there. Thank you. Get rub on the other side, and then we'll pin it up or truss it up. Man. You smell that?
Garlic.
Yeah. Roasted garlic, that oregano. We'll get that tied up. We'll get the other one wrapped, and then we'll go out to the smoker. See you back in a little bit. All right, so we're out here at our Yoder's YS640 pellet smoker. I am smoking at 275 with competition pellets today. And of course, Murphy's Law, we opened the second pack of bacon, and as you can see, it was in much better condition than the first one. So nice, pretty, trussed up beef tenderloin on this side. Nasty looking bacon pieces on this side that we're gonna hope doesn't fall off. But it's all gonna taste great, I promise. So, up on the upper shelf we go. One all the way to the back. One up front. And we smoke that until it gets to an internal temperature of 135 degrees, right? The bacon should be done well before then. The beef will be super tender when it comes off and rests for 20 minutes. And we'll see you back in, I'm suspecting, about an hour and a half. So we'll see you then. Back out of the smoker. It's been about an hour and 40 minutes that it's been actively smoking. So let's go give it a check. Should be right about the right temperature. Woo, we're right there. Can you, let's give you guys a look at this. Don't those look gorgeous? We're gonna go ahead and pull these off, get them inside, tent them for 15 minutes, let them slowly drop down at a little temperature, and then we'll slice them up and we'll see how it tastes. Can't wait to show you. 15 minutes resting under aluminum foil, and what can I say? The company can just not wait anymore to eat and give this a taste. So let's see how it turned out. Oh, beautiful, medium rare. Bacon fat's just gonna be perfect on this. It's gonna be so tender you can cut it with a spoon. Now you might ask, why a spoon? Why not an axe or a knife, right? Why is that? Because it's dull, it'll hurt more. Sorry. All right, let's give this a try. Shar, you wanna taste this with me? Oh my God, tender. Here you go.
Oh my God, that's like butter. That is really
Add
good.
a little bacon to it.
Yeah.
Get it, that garlic, a little bit of that oregano, not overly salted.
A little bit of salty from the bacon.
Yep.
That's perfect.
Definitely perfect for that special occasion. Hey,
Or the Sunday dinner.
or a Sunday dinner. Hey, if you like what you saw today, give us a thumbs up, hit the like button. If you want to continue to seeing our videos, hit that subscribe button and you'll get notified every time we put a new video out. So hey, until next time, we'll see you at the Galley of the Sun.